Hello children, welcome to today's section. Children, now our triple lesson is over. Today let's start our next lesson, dictionaries. Okay, see, dictionaries means a key value pair. Okay, dictionaries are key value pair. Now what is a dictionary? Dictionary is another collection in Python but with different in way of storing and accessing. Okay, different in way of storing and accessing. Other collection means list, tuple, string. Okay, all these data types have their own index associated with every element. Okay, but Python dictionary have a key associated with every element. Okay, instead of this index, dictionary has a key, okay, associated with every element. That's why Python dictionaries are known as key value pairs. Okay, see, like with the English dictionary, we search any word for meaning associated with it. Similarly, in Python, we search for key to get its associated value rather than searching for an index. Okay, instead of searching for an index, you can search for key. Okay children, we have to create a dictionary. See the syntax to create a dictionary, dictionary name. Okay, dictionary name is equal to key 1 value, key 2 value, etc. Okay, see the dictionaries are given in between curly braces. Okay, see the example, emp is equal to emp number 1, name, Shahrukh, fee, 15 lakh. Okay, here the keys are emp number, name and fee, and the values are 1, Shahrukh, 15 lakh. Okay, so while creating a dictionary, we have to note 3 points. Okay, the first one is dictionary elements must be between curly brackets. Okay, then each value must be paired with key element. Okay children, each value must be paired with key element. Then the last point is each key value pair must be separated by comma. Just like tuples and dictionary, each value must be separated by commas. Okay, next one, how to create an empty dictionary. See the syntax, dict1 is equal to empty curly braces. Okay, then days in month, here we are giving Jan 31, Feb 28, March 31, like that we are giving all the 12 months in between these curly braces. Okay, here this Jan, Feb, March, April, May, okay, all these are keys. And the values are 31, 28, 31, 31, 31, 30, okay, all these are values. Okay, then keys of dictionary must have immutable type. Okay, dictionary keys must be of immutable type, such as a Python string, a number, a tuple containing only immutable entries. Okay, if we try to give mutable type as key, Python will give an error. That is, dict2 is equal to 2, 3. Okay, here 2, 3 is given in between square bracket, that's why this is a list. Okay, colon ABC. Okay, so when you type like this, it will raise an error because this 2, 3 is a list, is a mutable type. Okay, then you can give the key always as immutable type. Okay children, next one, to access dictionary elements we need the key. See here my dict is equal to emp number 1, name Shivam, department sales and salary 25,000. Then my dict of salary. See children, here we are giving the key salary. Okay, to get the salary, we are giving the salary. Salary is the key. So you get the salary value 25,000. Okay, that is, if you try to access key which is not in the dictionary, Python will raise an error. Again, see here my dict of commission. Okay, here COMM. Okay, here no such key in this dictionary, that's why it will raise an error. Okay, next, traversing a dictionary. Python allows to apply for loop to traverse every element of dictionary based on their key. Okay, for loop will get every key of dictionary and we can access every element based on their key. Just like tuples and strings, we can use for loop to traverse. Okay, see here, my dict is equal to EMP number, name, department and salary 25,000. Okay, then to traverse through this dictionary, we can use one for loop for key in my dict. Okay, print the key is equal to my dict of key. Okay, so while traversing this dictionary, instead of moving with 0, 1, 2, 3, it will move from first to last through all the keys. So first we read first key, then second key, then third key. Okay, so it can access all the elements inside this dictionary. Okay, next one, accessing keys and values simultaneously. See here we have one dictionary and my dict.keys. So this one is a function. Okay, when you use my dict.keys, then it will display all the keys inside the dictionary. See here the dictionary keys are EMP number, name, department and salary. That's why it will print all the keys. Okay, to get the values, you can use the function mydict.values. Okay, now it will print all the values. Okay, here the values are 1, Shivam, sales and 25,000. That's why it will print all the values. Okay, then we can convert the sequence returned by keys and values by using list. Okay, to convert the sequence returned by keys and values. See the example, list of my dict.keys. Okay, so it will convert, so it will give the answer EMP number, name, department and salary. Here we are giving the keyword list. That's why all are printed in between the square bracket, that is returned as a list. The list of my dict.values, we get 1 Shivam, sales and 25,000. Okay, so when we get this list, then we can change the values inside the list. Okay, next one, characteristics of a dictionary. First one, unordered set. A dictionary is an unordered set of key value pairs. Okay, the next one, not a sequence. Unlike a string, tuple and list, a dictionary is not a sequence because it is unordered set of elements. Okay children, in dictionary we already said dictionary is a key value pair. Okay, no need to give the key value. Keys are 1, 2, 3, etc. in the same order. You can give in any order. That's why it will says as unordered set of key value pair. Okay, the sequences are indexed by a range of ordinal number. Hence they are ordered, but a dictionary is an unordered collection. Okay, next one, indexed by keys, not numbers. Dictionaries are indexed by keys. Keys are immutable type. Okay, next one, keys must be unique. Okay, each key within dictionary must be unique. However, two unique keys can have same values. Okay, only key must be unique. You can use duplicate values. See the example, data is equal to 100, 2, 200, 3, 300, 4, 200. Okay, see here you can see 2, 200. Okay, but the keys are identical. Okay, no two keys are same. Okay, the next characteristic is mutable. Okay, like list, dictionaries are also mutable. We can change the value of a certain key in place. Okay, here data of 3 is equal to 400. Here you can see data of 3 is equal to 300. But when you use this data of 3 is equal to 400, this 300 will be replaced by this 400. Okay. Next one. So to change value of key dictionary, the format is dictionary name key is equal to new value. Okay, we already said. Then you can not only change but you can add new key value pair. Okay, dictionary name new key is equal to value. Then you can apply new value. Okay, children. Next one, internally stored as mappings. Okay, internally, the key value pair are associated with one another with some internal function. Okay, these internal functions are called hash function. Okay, hash function means it is an internal algorithm to map and link a key with a stored value. Okay, hash function is an algorithm to map and link a key with a stored value. This way of linking is called mapping. Okay, here keys 1, 2, 3, 4 and the stored values are 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay, this one is a hash function where hash function is an algorithm. Okay, so here key 1 will pointing to value 1 like that 2, 3, 4. Okay, children. So next topic is working with dictionaries. Okay, multiple ways of creating dictionaries. First one, initializing a dictionary. In this method, all the key value pairs of dictionary are written collectively, separated by commas and enclosed in curly braces. Okay, we already said how to initialize a dictionary. Here, student is equal to roll. See, here the keys are strings. That's why we are giving in double quotes. Otherwise, when we give 1, 2, 3 and key name, there is no need of this double quote. Okay, then all the values are separated by commas and the key value pair. Okay, in between you have to put one colon. Next one, adding key value pair to an empty dictionary. In this method, we first create empty dictionary and then key value pair are added to it, one pair at a time. Okay, see the example, alphabet is equal to empty. Okay, or alphabet is equal to dict. Okay, this dict is a keyboard to create an empty dictionary. Okay, next one, multiple ways of creating dictionary. Now we will add new pair to this empty dictionary one by one, as alphabet is equal to empty. Okay, here this one is empty dictionary. Alphabets A is equal to apple. Alphabets B is equal to boy. Okay, so here this A is a key. Okay, where this is the key value pair. A apple, B boy. Okay. Next one, creating dictionary from name and value pairs. Using the dict constructor of dictionary, you can also create dictionary initialized from specified set of keys and values. There are multiple ways to provide keys and value to dict. Specific key colon value pairs as keyword argument to dict. Okay, this is the first format. Here student is equal to dict, roll is equal to 1, name is equal to score, pair is equal to 89. Okay. Next one, specify comma separated key value pairs. Here student is equal to dict, roll 1, name, score, PER 89. Okay. Next is specify key separated and corresponding values separately. In this method, keys and values are enclosed separately in parentheses and are given as arguments to the zip inside dict. See here, dict, then zip. Okay, inside the zip we can give first key value, first keys, then values. Okay, all are given in parentheses. Okay, children. So now I believe you understood all the topic that I covered today. Okay, see you again on next section. Till then, bye. Thank you.